Campbell River Truck Parade 2025. We start with a police motorcycle, followed by a police car with Chase from Paw Patrol on the front. Merry Christmas, oh the Grinch, and a fire engine. Of course we see a fire engine, or fire truck. Merry Christmas, firefighters. Can't show all the parade, but here are some beautiful, a vintage retro truck with a bunch of stuff in the back. And a snow blower. Awesome. Oh. Oh, would you look at that? A vintage fire engine. Awesome. Beep. Oh, look at that. Here's a third type of emergency vehicle, an ambulance. Oh, that's awesome. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer with a bright new red flashy nose. We get some minions. And Merry Christmas, paramedics! An ambulance with a Christmas tree on top of it. Would you look at that? Chase from Paw Patrol again. Another ambulance! Wow, this is getting even more and more exciting. Yeah, go ahead, paramedics. Sound that siren with pride. Yeah.